I am from Colombia. I'm from a small town in the border of Venezuela, Cucuta. I did my undergrad at Universidad Nacional de Colombia in the program of biology. And at the end, I had the opportunity to go to the Universidad de Antioquia and do some research. That was my first experience in research. I did some research in liver cancer. After a year, when I graduated, I had the opportunity to join a program of Joven Investigador en Conciencias. And from there, I applied to my PhD program in here. There were a lot of opportunities. I applied to different programs. One of the programs was XNM. I knew the program of genetics because my brother was here. My brother did his PhD in chemical engineering, so I had the opportunity to come and visit the campus before I actually applied. College Station is a nice place to live, and I thought Texas A&M campus was a nice place for me to be here. I knew it was an interdisciplinary program, so I was really interested about that because then it gave me the opportunity to know different fields: biology, microbiology, virology. What I thought was going to be a good opportunity, that's what I chose this program. It was challenging. I had to take some classes and I had to do rotations through different labs, and at the same time I have to teach. Having to do all those things at the same time at the first year, being responsible for all these things, gave me an opportunity to think, okay, yeah, this is what I want to do. I think I can do this and I can just continue with this program. There is a lot of support, like in the network opportunities that we have, like even with the same professors around campus. Like this is a really big campus, and then we have the opportunity to meet all these people, and the genetics program put all these professors together in an environment where we can meet them. The program has really good financial support through travel awards and fellowships. So they gave me an opportunity last year, for example, to go to Germany, where I presented part of my research project. It's also really good because we have the opportunity to interact with the other grad students. So we are really connected, and then we have all these events during the semester that allows us to talk to them about what they're working on. And that's good because in your research project, it's not just about you, it's also about other people doing similar things, and they can help you through your process and through your career. I think one of the 3 top characteristics will be that this program is an international program. Also that we have the support of the GGSA, that is the Graduate Generic Student Association, where we can actually meet and talk to people. And also we have seminar series where we can invite the speakers that we want. They're not just in the university, but they're coming from another universities around the country. And I think the financial support of the program, I think that helped us a lot, not just international but also national students. I think the major accomplishment is the progress in my career and my research project. So my research project is about colon cancer and the characterization of a specific subset of colon tumors. What we are trying to do is to characterize and provide some biomarkers that will be used in the therapies. So just as a background, a little background, like the current treatment for colorectal cancer is a benefit just for 15% of colorectal cancer patients. So we want to understand why the other 85% do not respond to this treatment, and that's the project that I'm working on. And I think it's really beneficial, and I think we had great progress, and I think the genetics program has allowed us and has supported me a lot through these 4 years of research. So I think the challenges are more about the cultural and the language. That's like a barrier that was really challenging. I came when I knew how to read and how maybe I understood about 50% of what people was telling me, but it was really a challenge to get here and take classes, teach, be a person, kind of socialize. So that was a big challenge. But the people in here is really friendly. I think Texas people is really friendly. They're always gonna give you some kind of support to help you through this process. So I don't think that was not a problem for me. Some advice for people will be, yes, kind of try to learn English a little bit better when you're back in Colombia and try to prepare your exams. More than that, just apply, because there is nothing wrong with apply. And yeah, maybe I will tell you no, and many universities will tell you no, but the universities are going to give you opportunity. Even if your English is not as good, then you can apply and try to talk to professors, try to email them, try to get an opportunity to meet the professors, because that's the best thing you can do while you're applying to a new program. And it's just an opportunity to apply, because in here, like, every single program is open to receive international students, so not just the genetics in here at Texas A&M, but other programs at other universities too.